Hey guys, so wanted to really briefly talk about how to solve for equations when you have angles. So for this first one, we're going to do two, but for the first one, we see we have complementary angles. We know that because they form a right angle based on this little red rectangle right here. We know it's a 90-degree angle. So if I add up these angles, we can call this angle 1. Oops. We can call this right here angle 1 and angle 2. It should get 90. So if I add up angle 1 plus angle 2, I should get 90. Oops, I didn't get 90 there. So only thing now is that we actually have more than just one or two numbers. We have actually actual expressions, okay? So I'm going to plug these in. If I add 3x plus 6 and I add this 48 to it, plus 48, I should be able to set it equal to 90 and solve for x. And that's what we're going to do. So looking over here on this left-hand side of the equation, before I can start moving stuff around, I think I'm going to look for any like terms I might have. So I see that I have this positive 6 here, and I have this positive 48. I know I can combine those two. So I'm going to make those, combine them. 6 plus 48 should give me 54. I'm going to bring down my 90. I'm going to bring down my 3x as well. So now we have 3x plus 54 equals 90. So we're going to go ahead and keep solving it. You're going to subtract 54 from both sides like we used to. Minus 54 on both sides to get rid of it. This right here cancels out. 54 minus 54 is 0. Bring down your 3x. And set it equal to 90 minus 54 should give me 36. The last step, as y'all should know by now, is to divide by 3 on both sides. Divide by 3, divide by 3. 3 divided by 3 is 1, so you have 1x left. 36 divided by 3 should give you 12. So for this problem, we got x is equal to 12. So essentially all we did was add both our expressions together and set it equal to 90, and we were able to solve for x. So we added 3x plus 6, and we added 48 to it, and put it equal to 90. Okay. Okay, so for this next example, it's really similar to the first problem, but the thing is, instead of having complementary angles, we now have supplementary angles. And we know it's supplementary because it forms a straight line down here at the bottom. Okay. So because we have this straight line I'm talking about is right here. This is the straight line I'm talking about. So because we had that straight line, we know it's going to be equal to 180 degrees. So I can say equal to 180 degrees, or just 180. So I'm going to add both my expressions. I'm going to take my 6x plus 3. 6x plus 3. I'm going to add that to my 87. So plus 87. And it should be equal to 180. Okay. Now I'm going to separate my equation, and we're going to start and look for like terms, just like last time. So as far as like terms, I think I see a 3 right here, positive 3. Make sure we circle whatever's in front of that 3 as well. And we have a positive 87. I can combine the two. When I combine 3 plus 87, they're both positive, so it's going to give me 90. Bring down my 6x. And then bring down my 180. So now we have a regular two-step equations. We're going to take 90 from both sides. 90 minus 90 is 0. It's gone. And I'm going to bring down my 6x. And my 180 minus 90 should give me 90. Divide by 6 on both sides. That's gone. X is equal to 15. 90 divided by 6 is 15. So again, just to recap, all we did was we took our first angle, the expression in our first angle, 6x plus 3, and I added that to my 87, and I set it equal to 180. So 6x plus 3 plus 87 is equal to 180. The rest of it is just solving equations until you get to your final answer, which is 15. Okay. We're going to do some more with this, but I think it's a good starting point. So, yeah.